Hey, what's up guys? Got the soldering station up and built. It's pretty badass. You know, you want to hook like something to it. We're going to solder this wire to this wire. I don't know. Like that. That's all you do. Bends anywhere you need. It's a pretty badass little soldering station. And these go anywhere. I just bent them in that form, but you can do it any way you want. Comes with a little brace down here to brace it to the table, and then you put a couple screws in wherever you can. Good to go. Use a little wrench right here on it to tighten these nuts right there. And you're good to go. Alright guys, that's the soldering station. We are going to get started on the ride today. So here's what we got to do. It's going to be a fucking job. We need to rip the wet cell battery out of the hood of this. So let's get the hood open. Alright, get some light on the subject here. Blinded me. So we need to get that battery out, and you can obviously see it's a fucking pain in the ass. And whoever did it last time bent this bar right there. He moved it out of the way. I really don't want to do that. Looks like they bent it up and pulled it out. So we're going to try not to do this. There's the UC31 sitting there. Love that fucking thing. It's badass. I can't wait to get this shit. And there's the new battery. XP3000. That's what I forgot. We need to see if we can steal a bolt from out of this. We might end up getting rid of one of the, that middle battery too. I don't know. Starting to look at it here, and I might just do that. What's that middle one? The S1200. That one might, I don't know. We'll see. We'll get it out and examine it. But we'll start with, let's get the batteries out and swap first before we start on all these caps. Because I'm probably going to remove these two. I don't know yet if I want to remove that one or not. I don't know, man. This isn't easy. I do want to keep that big one in there, man. But I really don't know if I need it after this. So let's get the back popped. You see what we got up against. This is the last wet cell in here. And you can obviously see it's leaking battery acid. So who knows what the fuck's going on with this. It's not a very good. It doesn't seem to be a very good battery. It's old. It's probably served its time. So we're going to put the camera down, and when I show you next, we'll have that one out. And we should have this intimidator under the hood. And I will get back to you in another video. Peace out.